Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Thompson. Now, in this video, I just want to quickly bring you up to speed with what is happening in StableFund. Okay, as you and I know, or probably you don't even know, StableFund actually just put out their own coin, which is called SFUSD. Okay, now SFUSD is actually at par with the dollar, which means that $1. One SFUSD is equal to $1. Okay, so that is one of the informations. Okay, that I have for you about StableFund. If you are not aware of that already, so that is what we are actually using to trade presently on the StableFund platform. Okay, so if you come up here now and you see presently StableFund is trading on the forex markets. Okay, they are not trading on the crypto market presently as it is, because if you remember what happened in V1, they were actually trading in the forex, in the crypto space. Okay, and a whole lot of differences between the V1 and the V2. Okay, in the V1 they were actually trading the cryptocurrency. Okay, now in V2 they are trading forex commodities. Okay, now in V1, if you remember, they were being paid 1.5%. Now in V2, we are being paid 1% daily. Okay, 1% of your total investment daily. That is what you're getting. Okay, and also if you check up here, you can see both results. Okay, so what this actually means is that this bot is approximated to make 2.7% every day. Okay, for the 5 working days, which is Monday to Friday. You know, forex is just basically for Monday to Friday. So for Monday to Friday, this bot is expected to trade to make approximately 2.7%. Now, out of this 2.7%, the project, the company, which is the StableFund, now pays its investors 1%. Okay, so that is where you see here, they actually have, if you see here, they have this 1% here, right? This 1% is what every members of StableFund actually takes home every day. Okay, ordinarily we are supposed to be paid for just 5 days, which is Monday to Friday, but Mike and his team have decided to pay us for 7 days, which is 30 days, and that is 30%. Okay, and now if you come down here, you can see that the total invested fund here is actually over 59 million SFUSD, which is over 59 million USD, right? So, and also if you come here, you can see that the total investors is 9,198. Okay, now if you want to see to confirm that this money actually exists, okay, let's go to the contract. Okay, we'll go to the contract to be able to see if truly this money actually exists. Okay, so what we need to do is this. We'll now come, let's go to stake here. So let's click on stake here. When we click on stake here, we're going to come up here. I'm going to click on contract. When you click on contract, it's going to bring you here. Okay, when it brings you here, you can see this is on the Polygon network, and you can see the contract actually holds over $59 million here presently. Okay, so that goes to tell you that this money is actually there in the contract and it is real. Okay, so now let me quickly show you my stake. If you're actually expected to take your refund from StableFund and you've not received yours before now, I want you to please patiently wait for it. It's going to come. Okay, and if you actually opted for V2, right? If you opted for V2, I also want to encourage you to please hold on, because from the look of things, the whole thing is actually moving, but it might not be in the fast pace the way we wanted it to go, but it's actually moving. Okay, so if you can see presently here, I've received my own. Okay, I received my rollover in my account, so you can see 292 here. Okay, this is the amount of money that I actually received. And if yours is actually you opted for refund, please hold on, you're going to get your refund. If you go to the Telegram channel, you can see this message. You can see refund and rollover have been restarted now. Okay, keep a look at your wallet and do confirm in group once you receive it. So if you actually opted for refund, I want you to keep a look at your it could be your app or on your web. Okay, check StableFund website, and as soon as you receive it, you can also go to the Telegram channel and let others know that you've actually received it. But what brought a lot of people into this project through my my Telegram group and also through my YouTube channels. Okay, I brought a lot. So I want advice. One advice I do give to them is to hold on that they are going to receive their money, and a whole lot of them have actually confirmed to me that they received their rollover fund into their account. Okay, so and one other thing I want you to know is this: whether you receive your rollover on the 15th, on the 16th, or on the 17th, your interest, okay, your reward start calculating from the 15th of December 2022. Okay, as you can see here, I actually got my own refund on the 16th. Okay, but you can see my reward balance here. Okay, which means I've been paid right from on the 15th. Okay, so if yours is coming in today being the 17th, or it came in on the 16th, rest assured that your reward is going to count from on the 15th. Okay, so that is one of the updates that I actually have for you concerning StableFund. Be patient if you've not received yours, and hopefully you're going to receive it. It's going to come. Okay, and one thing I want to show you about StableFund is that whatever you actually stake on StableFund, or whatever you have on StableFund presently, is going to be locked for 63 days. Okay, it's going to be locked. If you come down here, you can see this taking info here. You can see my deposit fund 292, my profit 5.8, and you can see locked for 62 days. Okay, so it's locked for 63 days, but 1 day has passed, so it's locked for 63 days. So as soon as this 63 days actually elapse, I can be able to take out my capital. Okay, so that is one of the beauty of this particular project. Okay, now if you are not into rollover, you did not roll over into V2, you are just a fresher, you just want to deposit into this project and begin to trade, to stake and trade. What you need to do is this: is either you go to any of those exchanges. Okay, you go to ST, okay, you go to Probit, or you go to any of those other approved exchanges, centralized exchanges that actually trade SFUSD, and you can transfer SFUSD from there. And if peradventure you have BNB, BUSD, or any of those coins already, okay, on StableFund, or you have that, you can transfer it. Okay, you can transfer it to StableFund. You can see different coins that they actually have here, either Ethereum, Matic, any of those coins here. You can decide to send it here. Okay, and then you go to the exchange. When you come down to the exchange, let's assume you have BUSD, you can decide to now send BUSD here. Okay, you choose BUSD. Okay, then you come down here, you're going to choose SFUSD here, right? Assuming you have $1,000 worth of BUSD. Okay, now you can decide to swap the BUSD for SFUSD. The same thing is applicable to any other coin. Okay, then from there you now come down to stake here. Okay, you put in your $1,000 SFUSD, and you click on approve, and automatically your coin will be staked, and you start earning 1% daily on your invested fund. Okay, so that is the update I actually have for you concerning SFUSD stable fund. Okay, but one thing I will always encourage you to do is this: always make sure you keep your eye on the Telegram channel, so that any information update that comes up, you can get it. And also you can also subscribe to my channel, okay, so that as soon as any update comes up, you will get the notification about the update on your feed, and you'll be able to watch the video. Okay, and if you got value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, give the video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. Okay, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye.